Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we dig deep into the products that make a real difference in your life. Today, we have a highly anticipated product, the AIRROBO T20 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This sleek, self-emptying vacuum is packed with features designed to make your cleaning experience as effortless as possible. From its advanced USLAM Air 5.0 algorithm to a self-emptying station with a 60-day capacity, this is a product that promises convenience, performance, and efficiency. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look. The AIRROBO T20 Plus offers a unique combination of vacuuming and mopping with a hassle-free, self-emptying station. Equipped with the cutting-edge USLAM Air 5.0 algorithm and LiDAR navigation, this vacuum creates precise maps of your home, ensuring smart, efficient cleaning routes that avoid repetition and missed spots. It uses 360-degree anti-collision and fall prevention technology to detect and avoid obstacles, like walls and stairs, while keeping your home safe from any potential damage. With a 3.5-liter dust bag in the self-emptying base station, the vacuum can empty itself automatically after each cleaning session, so you can enjoy up to 60 days of hands-free cleaning before needing to replace the dust bag. This is a big selling point for anyone who wants a truly low-maintenance experience. The T20 Plus is also packed with versatility. It seamlessly switches between sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping. The dust bin has a 350 milliliter capacity, while the water tank holds 340 milliliters, allowing you to clean your floors in a variety of modes. Whether you're tackling dirt on hard floors or going after debris on carpets, it has 4 suction levels and 3 water output settings to meet the demands of different surfaces. If you have pets, you'll appreciate how its floating main brush stays closer to the ground, reducing tangles from pet hair and ensuring better suction performance. The HEPA filter adds to its appeal, capturing allergens to help improve the air quality in your home. Plus, the ultra-thin design at just 3.7 inches lets it reach into tight spaces, like under furniture, for a more thorough clean. But how does this robot vacuum perform in real-world conditions? In terms of user experience, the setup is surprisingly easy. The vacuum connects to your home Wi-Fi. Just note that it only supports 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and pairs with the app, Alexa, or remote control for effortless operation. The 180-minute runtime is impressive, allowing the T20 Plus to clean an entire 2,200 square foot house on a single charge. However, during testing, the battery did start to drop off a bit when the vacuum switched to high power mode. While this wasn't a deal breaker, it's something to keep in mind if you have a larger home or expect to use the vacuum for extended sessions. In terms of noise, the AIRROBO T20 Plus stays below 65 decibels, making it quieter than many other vacuums on the market. If you have babies or pets that are sensitive to sound, this vacuum won't disturb them while it works. Its performance on carpets is solid, picking up pet hair and embedded dirt with ease, but it may struggle slightly with very thick carpets. On hard floors, the suction is impressive, leaving no dust or debris behind. It glides easily over different surfaces, and the mopping function adds an extra layer of convenience, especially in kitchens or bathrooms where sticky messes are more common. When it comes to maintenance, the T20 Plus makes life easier. Emptying the dustbin is a breeze, and the self-emptying station takes care of the heavy lifting. The HEPA filter is removable, which means you can clean or replace it as needed. The rubber floating brush is designed to reduce hair tangles, but if you have long hair, you'll still need to clean the brush occasionally to keep it working at its best. The 3.5-liter dust bag in the self-emptying station is large enough to reduce the frequency of replacements, but keep in mind that it will need to be swapped out after a couple of months of use. Now let's talk value. The AIRROBO T20 Plus comes with a lot of features, and for its price, it competes well in the market, especially with the self-emptying base station. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that requires minimal attention, this is a strong contender. However, there are other models at similar price points, such as the Robotic S7, which also offers strong suction, mapping, and mopping features. The difference comes down to the self-emptying capability, which is a standout feature of the T20 Plus. If you're someone who wants to maximize convenience and minimize interaction with your vacuum, the AIRROBO T20 Plus could be well worth the investment. In terms of durability, the T20 Plus feels well built, with solid materials used throughout. The floating brush mechanism is a smart design choice, helping it maintain consistent performance while preventing hair tangles. The self-emptying base station is another example of thoughtful design, adding to the overall convenience and usability of the device. As for long-term reliability, there's no concrete data on the T20 Plus yet, but AIRROBO's reputation for solid products and strong customer service gives confidence that this vacuum will hold up well with regular use. For customer support, AIRROBO offers solid assistance, especially when it comes to setup or troubleshooting any issues with connectivity. While the brand is still relatively new, they've made a name for themselves with their customer-centric approach. The T20 Plus comes with a standard warranty, and should you need it, AIRROBO's customer service team is responsive and helpful. Looking at alternatives, you could consider the iRobot Roomba i7 Plus or the Eufy RoboVac L70 Hybrid, both of which offer similar suction power and cleaning modes. However, the AIRROBO T20 Plus has the advantage of a more affordable price point and the unique self-emptying station that keeps your home cleaner for longer without the need for constant attention. It also shines in its ability to clean various floor types with ease and has excellent pet hair handling. In conclusion, the AIRROBO T20 Plus robot vacuum and mop combo is a strong contender in the robot vacuum space, offering a mix of convenience, power, and affordability. Its self-emptying feature, combined with versatile cleaning modes and effective pet hair management, make it an excellent option for households of all sizes. While it's not perfect, there are a few minor limitations on thick carpets and high-power battery drain. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to streamline their cleaning routine. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, hard floors, or carpets, the T20 Plus is designed to handle it all with minimal effort on your part. If you're in the market for a robot vacuum that ticks all the right boxes without breaking the bank, the AIRROBO T20 Plus should be on your list. Thanks for watching. If you want to get your hands on the AIRROBO T20 Plus, the link is in the comments box below. Let us know if you've already tried it or if you have any questions. Until next time, this is Reviews Inside TV, where we keep your home cleaner and your decisions easier.